All this already spilled a juice and get into some entertainment and news. Can we all appreciate Izingane Zesthembu and give Snehe flowers? Girl has brought it on the episode that aired on Sunday. I'm sorry I'm late to the party, but guys, Usne asked the relevant questions at the table, and the questions are making the conversation conversate. But in that conversation that is going to conversate, I still believe Uti. I don't know why. I know people are clapping. I know people are excited that Vuyo is leaving the relationship, whatnot. I don't see Vuyo leaving, guys. I don't see Vuyo leaving. I see her staying even if she's not the first wife. I don't know, but I just don't see her leaving. I don't know why. It just doesn't, yeah. Ayihlangani, man. Excuse me, ayihlangani. But Usne pulled up and asked the relevant question. And now I'm curious, Uteralo, when she said, and now you'll do what you did to her. What does that mean? What is she trying to say? Guys, stick here so that next week we might see. But guys, how much can we bet? How can we bet at least a thousand rands? Yeah, comment down in the comment section to say you are betting 1,000 rands. If I get it wrong, you get 1,000 rands. If I get it right, you give me 1,000 rands, right? Asambin. Please do like, share, and subscribe.